Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Genshin Impact on your PC. So all you have to do is launch your browser and then go to this website, genshin.hoyoverse.com, and then you should get to this page. Now all you have to do is find this option, PC download in brackets Hoyo Play, click on it, and then now this will prompt you to download the Genshin Impact setup file. So choose the location you'd like to save that particular file. So I'll just select desktop and then click on save. And then that setup file will be downloaded on your PC. So let's just give it a few minutes. Now, once the download is complete, all you have to do is click on this download icon and then click on the file to launch it. Or you can simply find the file location. So for me, I saved it on desktop and you can find this file. So the file looks like this. So all you have to do is double click on it and then give it a few seconds. Now you'll be asked, do you want to allow this pop to make any changes? Click on yes. And then now you'll get to this page. Now from here, make sure you check I have read and agreed to the terms of service and I have read and agreed to the privacy policy. So check on those options. And then now you should see two options. There's the quick installation and the custom installation. So if you select custom, you'll basically choose the location you'd like to install this particular app, the Hoyo Play first. So you can simply select change and choose the location you'd like to save that particular file. And then also you can choose to either create a desktop shortcut and auto launch at startup. So I'll just check on desktop shortcut and then click on continue and install and then give it a few seconds. And then you should see this option, installation complete. So simply click on finish and launch. And then now this will launch the Hoyo Play application on your PC. Now from here, you should see this page whereby it says Genshin, and then you should see the get game. So all you have to do is click on get game, and then you'll be prompted to choose the installation path. So this is the default one. So if you'd like to change, all you have to do is click on change, find any other location you'd like to save that particular file or particular game, and then click on select folder. So for me, I'll just leave it as default, and then ensure that you have enough space. So the required space is 91 GB, and the space available, you can see your space available. And then you can also choose to either create a desktop shortcut or a startup mini shortcut. So I'll just uncheck on those. And once you're done, simply click on start installation, then give it a few seconds, and then you should see the download has begun. So depending on how fast your Wi-Fi is, it can finish up as quickly as possible, or you can just wait for a few hours and the download will be complete. Once the download is complete, all you have to do is click on launch, and that will launch Genshin Impact on your PC. So that's basically it on how to install Genshin Impact on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.